Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome to my channel. My name is Fern, if you didn't know or you couldn't tell by my name on my channel. Today's video I thought would be quite fun to do. I've not actually tried this before, so we're going to be like testing this out together. As you can see by my little background setup, this is going to be a video on Mark Hill's corkscrew curling wand, which I have right here. So Mark Hill actually reached out to me recently about collaborating on Instagram for a photo using one of the hair wands and just obviously promoting their hair tools. I'm not that adventurous with my hair, you know, I straighten it, chuck it up, curl it now and again, but I've never tried a different type of curling wand. So I chose the Wicked Waver one that looks like something a little bit dodgy, if you know what I'm on about. And I have tried that out and I've posted a photo of that over on my Instagram if you would like to check it out. But I haven't used the corkscrew one yet, and I thought I would do a video on it just because I think it might be quite funny. I've never seen myself with like big corkscrew curls, and I want to see how it works, and obviously if it goes well, this is kind of like a little testing tutorial for you guys and just to show you the products, because I really love Mark Hill as a brand, and they were so lovely to send me out these curling wands, and they obviously sent the handle with it as well because I didn't have the handle already. I'm just gonna jump straight into it and start attempting to curl my hair. So I'm just gonna section off my hair. I know they've got to be like small curls, but I'm just gonna like do half and half and see how that goes. I'm just gonna brush. Oh, it's very knotty. I'm gonna use a little bit of heat protectant. I don't know if it does much, but my hair is already so damaged. Oh, and by the way, do excuse, I'm sat here in my dressing gown just because why not? It's comfy. I don't want to get dressed yet. Makes it a little bit more chilled. Maybe you're in your dressing gown too, because I am in my dressing gown 99% of the time. This looks so scary. Okay, I'm literally just going to wrap it around, hold it for a few seconds and then let it go, I guess. I'm actually terrified that I'm going to look like a crazy woman. Let's hope I don't have to go out of the house today. And I'm just going to let it go. Oh, look. Oh, what did I do? What have I done? Oh, there you go. Okay. I don't think I should hold it on for too long because my hair's not that long. And I think I'm just going to curl it all in the same direction, just away from my face. I'm so scared. Why am I scared? Oh no, I let it go. No, come back. Ah! Okay, I'm just going to carry on and do this bottom layer. Okay, again away from the face, just on the other side. I hate this feeling. Maybe my hair's not meant to like have corkscrew curls in it. That bit might be a bit too big. How far up to your root are you supposed to take it? Like, I don't want to be sticking up, but then also it might look weird. Wow. That was eventful. Okay, so now that I literally look like a 2-year-old or just some crazy person, I'm gonna try and run my fingers through it with some frizz-free oil. Oh, there's a straight bit. So just got a little bit of serum that I'm just gonna put on my hands and I guess running through it gently. Oh my god, my hair's knotty. I don't think this was a good idea. My hair's getting really knotty as well, so I don't know how to quite deal with that. What I would say is if you have hair that's a similar length to mine, be careful because it's going to obviously be a lot shorter and poofier than someone with long hair that's going to weigh it down a little bit. But I think it looks pretty cool. I think my hair needs a haircut because it's really dry, or I've just kind of damaged it with heat. I don't know, but what do you guys think? I don't know if I would, you know, rock this, but I feel different. This was an experience. You guys got to see how the Mark Hill corkscrew curling wand works on someone with slightly shorter hair. My hair does hold a curl really well, but I mean if you have very flat straight hair, these might drop out in like a couple of hours, but I feel like my hair's probably going to be like this all day. Okay, I'm just going to leave it down, play around with it, see how I can manage this for today. If you did enjoy this and you have tested out this corkscrew curling wand or you want to test it out, I will leave the links in the description for you guys to check out. Let me know what you think, whether should I do this again? Do I suit this kind of hair? I have no idea. I don't really know what to think. But I thought this was pretty fun. So if you did enjoy this video, please smash that thumbs up button, it means a lot to me. Don't forget to subscribe before you go if you haven't already, and click the notification bell so you get notified when I upload a brand new video. And I will see you very, very soon. Bye!